Yeah.
But I think this is the most important. It's today's day and age.
Yeah.
You need to have Wi-Fi.
Yes.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Hatagwa, and today I have a clip for you from 10 things to know before visiting Ghana. This is number 1, and this is about Wi-Fi. If you want to know how to make sure that you have enough Wi-Fi to get you through your stay, then this video is definitely for you. Check it out. I recorded this with my good friend Kels. We wanted to make sure we share with you what we wish we knew before we came. All right, guys, now we're down to the last one, the number 1 thing, and this actually is the most important. The rest weren't in any particular order, but I think this is the most important. It's today's day and age. You need to have Wi-Fi.
Yes.
If you can have a data plan on your own phone before you got here, an international plan, that's ideal. If not, wherever you're staying, you need to be using the Wi-Fi that's there.
There are times where you would be somewhere and you're thinking you're uploading videos and photos, and after a minute or two, it shuts down. They do not have the bandwidth for that Wi-Fi. It's over for you.
It is,
right? Because there's no unlimited service here.
Yeah, so it's not unlimited. Here, there's almost always a cap, and so whoever is paying the service plan has to go back and pay more in order to get more. So the first place we were at, 5 gigabytes, that was gone pretty quickly.
They will actually add a charge to your bill if they feel like you need more Wi-Fi, because if they ran out, they ran out. You guys definitely need to know about the Wi-Fi, and actually all of the things we mentioned today, you guys really need to know. They're very important. Joe and I compiled this list. We found it very valuable, and these are our experiences that we went through, so we're not telling you something that we haven't experienced. Me and Joe will always be around. Make sure you go ahead and follow us on our pages. He's at Authentic African, Yeah, Authentic African on YouTube, and at Authentic_African on Instagram. For sure. And mine is Kels Acosta on every platform. All right, guys, so this was just a short clip. It's not a comprehensive list. We definitely will have a part 2 where we go much more in detail in the coming weeks. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure to keep up to date on the videos that are coming. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.